Well, an absolutely superb trio to show you now. Mintons China, Cheviot in blue, S541 is the Mintons pattern. China marks on this date, it's between 1912 and 1950. I think it's probably on the early stage of that date range. It's impossible to be more precise with the factory marks being used for such a long period of time. This displays absolutely beautifully. Just look at the rib moulding and how that pops in whatever light you've got it in, but the brighter the light, the better this is. Powder or baby blue is the background color here, with a white interior, and then that gilt decoration all over this, ribbed, and then just the scalloping is just so pronounced with the molds that Minton used. Classic Minton shape cut for the stage. Just let me take that one out so I can show you this properly. Beautiful Cheviot blue, bluebell, I think it's bluebell or harebell ribbons that run around the inner walls of this, and then this ribbed moulding comes up, as you can see, rotating right the way around in an S pattern to this scalloped rim. So beautifully and eloquently done. There's the Mintons Cheviot China marks with S451 upside down, the actual decorator's mark. There you go, S451. They were used, that China mark, between 1912 and 1950. I think this is early in that stage. In really nice fine condition, really lovely and bright. And that little cup sits on a 5.5-inch saucer, again beautifully moulded with the Cheviot design on the inner sort of element of the rim, and then that scalloping going right the way up on a deep saucer to that beautiful border. It's just so beautiful with the pale powder blue. It's so unusual with the gold, it just makes it pop. A large side or tea plate, almost a dessert plate this one, 7 7/8 inches, and at 8 inches we'd cut into a dessert plate, and I think this was what was originally supplied with it, because it just sits so beautifully on it. Again, nice condition, tiny little bit more wear on the gilt on the side plate in this instance. Again, matching marks on this plate, and the flatware is actually impressed with Mintons as well as being stamped there. Really nice condition. Cabinet display piece. Rare as hen's teeth in blue. Made a lot of Cheviot in green, but the blue's incredibly difficult to find. We've got a cake plate coming through in this design, a couple of few spare saucers and side plates. Only one of the teacups that came in this condition, this collection, was in saleable condition. The rest all had terminal damage to them, unfortunately. But we also have a cake plate and a lidded sugar basin, which again is an incredibly difficult find when it comes to pieces of Cheviot China. Link below will take you through to the website listing, and first one gets it, because there's only one and I've not seen another in 30 years of listing China online. So a rare piece indeed. Thanks for watching.